Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Amazon product listing. It's really easy. Please follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video. First of all, please go to your Amazon Seller Central account. This is the page where we will list our product. Please go to Catalog and click on Add Product. Since we are adding a new product, we will select I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Please click on that. Now, this is where you have to select the category and item you will list. So I'm just gonna put my product. Since my product is adapter, so I'm gonna click on search. And please click on the category that your product is. I'm going to choose laptop accessories. This is the charging adapter for laptops. So please click on whatever category you are working on. Click on select. Now, this is where we have to give our product ID, our product's name, our manufacturer. For example, if your manufacturer is Samsung or Apple, just give your manufacturer name and the color of your product. And the product ID is very important and it's mandatory to give your product ID. So please fill up this information. Once you have given your product ID, please select from here whether you want to choose ASIN or EAN or UPC. I selected UPC, and my product name, I already have a document where I have my product name, my manufacturer, and the color. So once you're done with this, go to offers, and if your product does have a variation, then you can click on variations, but my product doesn't have variations, so I'm just gonna skip it. Now click on offers. This is where you have to give your price, your quantity, and your condition of your product. It's very important. So please fill up this information. Now I gave my price 25 AED, which is the Emirates dirham. And if you're working on another platform, for example Amazon.com or etc., any other platform, you can give your currency over there, and you should give your quantity because it's mandatory. You can see the star sign. I gave my quantity about 100 and the condition is new. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you will get this box where you have to select whether you want to do FBA or FBM. It's very important. FBA means that Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon will ship and provide the customer service, and FBM is like the customer service is provided by me, by the merchant. So I'm going to select FBM, but if you want to do FBA, please select this box. Now when you are finished with this page, please click on images. You have to give your product some images. I recommend at least 7 images. So please add your product images. I'm just gonna go with 5. So once you're done with this, please click on save and finish. And once you're done with your product, you will get a message that the product will be displayed after 15 minutes. So after your product gets the approval, you can edit your product and add more details like the description and the details of that product. This is how you list a product on Amazon. I hope this video helped you in listing your product on Amazon. Thank you for watching.